It's around 2 a.m. and we're in Baguio! Finally! Sakit ng puwet ko!
Sobrang equal pa ng ano
Okay guys, natatakot kami dito sa nakatapat na mirror dun sa bed. So what we're gonna do is... I need to close this.
Roommates.
Kawawa yung chair, guys.
Okay pa siya.
Welcome to my crib. Baguio, day 1. Oops. This is our driver in Baguio. Ang ganda ng driver namin.
Ang ganda naman ng grab namin.
For this place. So this is John here, and then the famous tourist spot. I don't know anything about it, but then I go here a lot ever since. Yes. So pretty. Guys, pwedeng pakibili. Sightseeing talaga eh, sightseeing. Shorts, bawal palang shorts, so I have to buy leggings or cycling.
Just sa kabila.
This one po.
Ayan yung leggings.
Magkano po yung ganito?
So, nag-try si Iya ng leggings. Naka-shorts siya and bawal sa chika. Iya, okay ka lang, Iya? Okay lang daw siya, friends.
Guys, ano to? Ang baduy ko. Bakit ba ako naka-shorts? I hate it. Napabili pa ako, guys. And this is $3.50. So, wala nag-guide sa amin. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta.
Let's go!
Guys, inaaway nila yung leggings ko. Ganda kaya, oh. Guys, wrong shoes. Ang bigat ng shoes ko. We're off to the Superman ride. And I'm kind of nervous.
I'm nervous. What are you doing, Iya?
Superman ride.
That's Iya right there, guys. Say hi, Iya.
Oh my God! Kuya, anong una pa talikod? Ano ba yan?
So yeah, happy. Laway mo, Iya.
Okay guys, ang saya ng Superman ride. Worth it yung $3.50 kong leggings. Grabe yung stairs. Heavy breathings. Grabe. That was tiring. Let's go na sa canopy while they wait. So we're gonna ride the canopy.
Slow pace.
Slow pace lang to, guys. So mas napagod kami sa trekking. Mas matagal pa yung time namin mag-trek, guys.
Compared to the Superman.
phone ko, ano?
Oo nga eh.
Kinakabahan ako. With treetop adventure. So,
Out of 10, it was fun.
Fun naman yung Superman. Superman talaga, yun lang. So, napagod lang kami sa treetop. Superman lang yung worth it. And then the canopy, boring. Meh. Okay lang yung picture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, it was fun because we were with our friends.
Yeah. And then yung trekking, nakapagod. Pero overall, the treetop adventure is like 4, 5 out of 10. Been a while. So we're thinking if we're gonna ride a bike alone or yung pedicab. Like,
Hello everybody. We are biking. Iyo is making maneho.
okay,
Mika's making maneho. Kara and I are chilling.
Hi guys!
How's everyone doing?
So ako yung driver today. I have the preno here. Guys, low bat na kami because nakatulog kami 6 AM na. So, super drained and nagsistart na akong magkaroon ng headache. So, we're at Old SB.
We gave in.
We gave in. We're gonna buy some drinks. Super drained. So, we're recharging. They're talking about scary stories and I can't. So we're at Grand Cherry Pines kasi we're gonna have bonfire here. Cutie and bean bags. Isa pa, Michelle. Listen, guys. Ika, where are we?
Manor.
Manor. So, ano meron dito?
Wala na si tayo mapuntahan.
Wala na kami mapuntahan.
Real talk. Outfit here in Baguio. Wearing my mom's sweater, kaya it's very big. And then, there. Grabe yung tambayan namin, guys. Look, this is our tambayan. And I'm like, oh, never gonna look so bad. Getting over you, and out. You give me a heart attack. Naantok na kami. Hanggang 6 AM kami. Kasabot na namin yung rooster.
Mag-grab na tayo.
Kakain na tayo.
Sobrang mahal na natin.
Kung meron tayong tulog, ganito tayo ngayon. Parte!
Kung may tulog ba, no?
Gano'n.
legs ko, guys. Hindi ko na maramdaman. Sakit. We're outside. Sinong excited sa basement?
Kaming dalawa dapat.
Sino?
Sino uuwi ngayon?
Sinong papahatid sa parents si Mika Baguio ngayon? It's us! Good night, world!
Good night talaga, good night.
Update. So, naglilinis ako mukha habang natawag kami na, Manang! Day 2.
Day 2.
Yeah.
Hello.
We're here at the station.
We're gonna buy our tickets already.
Yeah, to go home tomorrow. Around 10 p.m. So guys, fully booked na yung Pasay, Cubao, and Naiya. So we had to go to Avenida, but we don't know where that is. Hi, so we're in a Baguio mall. What mall is this, Mika? Cedar or Cedar Mall. So Cara is planning to have an ear piercing here. What do you call that ear piercing? Yung dito? But I just got mine, dalawa, so I'm not gonna get. But if ever I don't have, I'm gonna get it with them. Sayang. We have a gift for Mika because naaawa na kami sa kanya.
Yeah, but not because you love her, eh.
And we love her so much. Show your face.
Yes, please show.
Show the messages. I don't know.
Show the messages of the boyfriend. Like 2.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! I'm so killing, guys. Okay, change na. So we're out and about. Michelle, saan naabot yung ID mo?
Dito sa Baguio.
Naka-ID pa siya. Mika, what's this one?
It's just Korean street food.
So, ano yung masarap? Yung na-try mo na.
I don't know what it's called. That one.
The black one?
Yeah, the second.
I'll try that one.
So, I bought the corn dog in Mr. Rocky.
I bought this. I don't know what you call this. Pero ito daw yung masarap, sabi ni Mika.
So, we really want to do the adventures.
Korean street style.
Okay, so game.
Street food.
Game.
Okay, Michelle, thoughts?
It's good. Yeah.
So corny.
Oh, it's so sarap. Kasi ito tayo.
Parang.
Sarap.
It's so bready.
12 pesos.
So corny.
It's so corn bready.
Walking on the streets of Baguio. What road is this ba? Ito ba Session Road? Oh, this is Session Road, guys. So we're all getting a tattoo.
Here we have the Armox. Ano yan tawag sa O na dinosaur?
T-Rex.
T-Rex. And we also have the carnivores over here. I have the herbivores.
So, what is this place?
This is Mines View.
Mines View. So, we're here sa mga stores. So, gusto niya itong ipamit sa akin. Yung malaki? This one? Ito?
Yeah.
Hindi. Yung
Ito no?
Yeah, sige.
Itataas?
Yeah.
Mag 19 years na siya sa Baguio and
Pero first time ko here.
first time is sa Mines View. And he got
years, my first
matching. What do you call this?
Tumblr, grade 5, friendship goals, bracelets. Bracelet, what's it called?
Bracelets. So, ang daming tao dito sa Mines View. Kaya we're leaving agad. peanut brittle, and strawberry jam, alfajor, and snowballs. Update, so si Mika, hindi na siya malilibre because her lola cooked for us. So sweet. So guys, we're walking at night kasi we're going to the night market. So nakakainis guys kasi tumingin ako sa 250. And ayun, may nagustuhan ako, pero 250. Pero ginawa ng 200, pero hindi ko pa rin sure. We're back here at the house we're staying.
Grabe! This is
Guys,
outside the room.
Guys, it's chaos.
It's chaos.
This one.
Look!
I don't know where to start. Hi guys, it's day 3 and we're going to the beach. We're leaving. Bye. This house. I can never pack lightly. Look. Look. Ito lang dala ni Luis. Oh. Grabe. Ako isang malaking paper bag. Guys, tingnan nyo naman yung pwesto ni Michelle ngayon. Ready to annoy us. Ready to annoy everybody. Hi guys, we're off to LU. Finally here in LU. Guys, it's so pretty. It's my first time here. First timers. So guys, thank God it's Monday. Medyo maunti yung tao. Update, we're gonna go. Where are we gonna go nga, Michelle? Mackay Balls. So it's not in this place. Kaya we have to ride the trike pa. So we're riding the tricycle now. Where's Gara? Gara! So this is my outfit for LU. What did you get, Michelle?
Acai. It's like mixed berries. No?
Sarap. So I had this point, same mascaras. This is the best seller though from here.